Hello! Before you watch your tutorial on how to make kale chips, let me tell you the difference between kale chips and regular chips. Well, these are good, these are bad. Why is that? Well, this is a vegetable. Look, it's green. No fat, no calories, no sugar, no salt, nothing. This is corn and oil and salt. None of that is good for you. Just a bunch of fat and carbs. And just like, no. But this, you can make taste like a chip. Maybe not exactly, but you can deal. And if you're out here watching a video on how to make kale chips, you're probably a little bit chubby, and you're probably trying to lose weight, so maybe the difference in taste can work for you. So that is all I needed to tell you. Now you can proceed to watch your tutorial on how to make them.
You will begin with step 1. You're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Next, you want to go ahead and find a clean, dark, or non-stick cookie sheet that you're going to be cooking the kale on. Next is step 3. You will want to take an olive oil and lightly spray the pan with it. If you do not have olive oil, parchment paper will work even better. Next is step 4. Now you will cover the entire pan with fresh green kale. If you don't have enough to cover the whole thing, it's okay, but just know it will shrink down by a lot. Step 5. This part is optional, but if you want a little more flavor with your kale chips, adding garlic powder and salt is a good idea. Step 6. When the oven is preheated, carefully place your pan of kale into the oven. Step 7. Set a timer for about 8 minutes. 5 won't be enough, but 10 will burn it. Lastly, step 8. When the timer goes off and it looks right, carefully take it out of the oven. If you burn yourself, then that sucks because I warned you. Remove it from the pan and place it into a bowl. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. New videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Like and subscribe and make sure to tell your friends.